This is a bird. Focus question. How are the birds in this book alike? How are they different? This is a bird. All birds have feathers and all birds have beaks, but all birds are different too. This is a bird. Its beak is long and sharp, and its feathers are black and white. It is an emperor penguin. This is a bird. Its beak is long and hooked, and its feathers are white. It is a pelican. This is a bird. Its beak is sharp and hooked, and its feathers are black. It is a talky vulture. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp, and its feathers are white. It is a chicken. This is a bird. Its beak is long and flat, and its feathers are brown. It is mallard duck. This is a bird. Its beak is long and curved, and its feathers are brown. This is a thrasher. This is a bird. Its beak is short and sharp, and its feathers are red. It is a cardinal. This is a bird. Its beak is long and thin, and its feathers are purple, green, and gray. It is a Costas hummingbird. In some ways, all birds are the same. All birds have beaks, and all birds have feathers, but all birds are different too.
Good job.